Diretso na tayo. Sino ang kasabwat doon sa public works? Itong tatlong construction firms na ito.
Your Honor, to be frank, we have not identified.
Hindi mo ginagawa ang trabaho mo. Senator Lacson, please interrogate so that we can find out who was this person who allegedly gave 70 billion or received 70 billion in connection with this.
Your Honor.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
No, you are not recognized. Mr. De Luna, sinong nakikilala mo doon sa public works? Nakikilala mo lang para inosente lang na magtatanong.
Dahil dyan po ako nagninegosyo, halos lahat po sila kakilala ko.
Individual po lahat, halos kilala po namin.
Alright, you are all stonewalling me. I am 63 years old. I was born 1945. I was not born yesterday. And I was RTC judge and awarded some of the highest awards for work in the judiciary. So siguro hindi naman ako napakagaga na sasabihin nyo sa akin, lahat yan kakilala ko. May mga kausap kayo doon eh. Pinagtatakpan ninyo.